And as soon as you finally get that accolade, as soon as you finally get that acknowledgement and all that as soon as finally see you for how God been seeing you, how you been seeing yourself, how light beings been seeing you, everybody want access. Everybody want to, oh, what you doing this week? Nothing with you. All that fake wishy-washy trying to, you know what I'm saying, spin and shit. I'm not going for it, bro. A lot of y'all, literally, I gave y'all so much grace and patience to see what you was going to do. I already know how I'm finna move. But I gave people an ability to fix and redirect that energy and all that shit, and they didn't. So when y'all see me pull back from motherfuckers, ask me do I want it, and I don't say nothing, I just move back. Don't say I'm being mean, because I'm not a mean person. I'm more so just stepping into my light and saying, nah, you don't deserve access to me. I'm not finna keep lighting up your when you just dim and dark. No, unless God sent me or God told me to, that's different. But a lot of y'all showed me who y'all was, and I'm not fucking with it. So trying to come back is not going to happen. You hear me? This is a PSA. I'm not letting you back. No.